Today, in this tutorial, we will see how we can unhide all the hidden rows and columns. This could be helpful if you get a file from someone else and want to be sure that there are no hidden rows or columns. Instead of doing this in a conventional manner, we will be using VBA macro programming. I will even explain you the code line by line, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. As you can see that in this worksheet, column B, F, M and rows 10, 15, 20 are hidden. What we want to do here is that we want to unhide all these rows and columns. To do this, we will write a small VBA macro code. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will write our code. Since I have the code already copied in clipboard, I will just paste it here, which will help us in reducing the video length. This is the macro code that will do our job. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Now let us understand this code line by line. The first line here is just a comment for us to better understand what our macro is supposed to do. Then we have started our macro with name UnhideRowsColumns. You can give any name you prefer to. This line will unhide all the columns in the sheet, and the next line will unhide all the rows in the sheet. And finally we have closed our macro with end sub. Now since we are done with our code, let's close this VBA editor and return back to Excel sheet to test our macro code. To run our code, we need to press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You can see our macro code name is available here. Before we execute this macro, have a look at the sheet. Our columns and rows are still hidden. Now let us run our macro. Just click on the name and hit run. You can see now all our hidden rows and columns are visible. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button, so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.